You know, it's been a while since we busted the griddle out, and I've been working on getting our recipes from our videos onto our website, galleyofthesun.com. Yesterday, I was working on an old episode, Oklahoma onion burgers, and I thought, damn, that sounds good. I can't just do the same thing again, so today, we're gonna make an Oklahoma onion burger patty melt. Stay tuned. Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. As normal, I'm feeding a horde, so I'm gonna do this one sandwich. We'll get the video done. I'll get my stuff cleaned up and then make the other 7. Really simple, but absolutely delicious. If you haven't tried this, you are missing out, my friends. Let's get it going. The griddle is preheated. It's been heating up for about 10 minutes and I've turned down the heat to low. Let's get the patties on. I've got 2 4-ounce patties right here. We're going to set those down and let those go for about 10-15 seconds. This is to help us with the sticking on the smasher. In the meantime, we'll lube up our smasher. Now we'll flip these over. Got that little cook spot on the top now. And we smash. Now we top these with some shredded sweet onion. So I shredded it in the food processor and then I squeezed out every bit of liquid I could get out of that thing. One of the keys to a great burger is seasoning. I'm using some of Spiceology's SPG. As those burgers are cooking away, we'll prep our sourdough bread that we're using for our patty melt. Gonna hit them with some mayo on one side. You can use butter, but mayo works very well for getting it good and toasty. Now, how's a patty melt different than a regular hamburger? Well, instead of using a bun, you use slices of bread. And it's sort of like a grilled cheese and a hamburger got together, had a good intimate time, and voila, you have a patty melt. So a lot of cheese is the key. Okay, I can see around the edge of the burger that it's starting to get done, so it's time to flip. And the crust is looking beautiful. We'll give these patties onion side down about 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, let's get the patty melt constructed. Piece of bread, mayo side down. On top of that, a slice of cheese. I like to use white cheddar. Then our patties. And we'll offset them just a little bit to make sure this whole slice is covered. On top of that, a healthy amount of shredded cheddar. I have some smoked cheddar and some Trader Joe's unexpected cheddar mixed together. Then on goes our lid, mayo side up. Now all we're doing is getting that bread toasted and the cheese melted. If you need to, you can put a dome over this, squirt a little bit of water under it. That steam will help melt the cheese, but I think we're gonna be fine. The key for success here is low heat. We don't want that bread to get too dark before we have our cheese melted. You know, I forgot something. I love mayo on my burgers. I'm gonna put some more mayo on this too. Now we'll give it a flip. And push it down a little bit to help with that melting. That bread is looking absolutely gorgeous. All right, it's all done but the judging. So when we see you next, it'll be for judgment. All right, it is time. From the Patty Melt Institute of Paducah, Kentucky, I bring you Evelyn. This is an Oklahoma onion burger patty melt. So it's like a grilled cheese and a hamburger. Got together, went to a nice movie, had a romantic evening, mingled a little bit.
And had a kid?
Yeah, and had a kid.
Oh my God. Oh, really good.
We got an OMG, LOL.
I think it's really good. It's kind of sweet. I don't know if that's the bread or the cheese.
Maybe the sweet onion. I used the Vidalia onions on this.
It might be the onions, but it's like perfectly sweet. The meat's juicy. You kind of taste the cheese in there too, which adds like a nice flavor to the meat as well. Overall, I think it's really good, and have it with some soup, and you got yourself a pretty good meal.
All right, there you go. So, I hope you enjoyed what you saw today. Give this a try. Until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.